guys, I am Vihanga Nimsara. This is the post system I developed for my second semester project, and this is made with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and jQuery. I have used CSS for Bootstrap, uh, Bootstrap framework, and jQuery also used in here. So let's see about UI. You can see we can add date, save like this, and update it like this, uh, and delete it like this. Uh, these functions are work properly. And most important thing is this is a single page application. You can see from the URL and the code here, uh, like this. Uh, this is the single page application function JavaScript code, and this is code according to the MVC architecture. You can see controller, database, and the model. So let's see how work this, and you can see. Let me add some item. Uh, in here, all the functions work properly, uh, like this, and let's place a order. In here also, all the IDs are generated automatically. You can see. Mm, so let's add the I. You can see all the balance and the discounts all are work automatically, and we can place order like this. You can see information in this pop-up alert. So get like this alerts. I have used sweet alerts, so we can see order history also. Thank you.